Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, where we bring you the most inspiring and beautiful home ideas. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a backyard that's not just a yard, but an extension of your home? A place to relax, entertain, and enjoy the outdoors in style? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative home improvement projects you can take on, the elevated deck. So, what exactly is an elevated deck? Simply put, it's a deck built higher than ground level. Unlike a traditional patio, an elevated deck extends from the main level of your house, offering a seamless transition from your indoor living space to your outdoor oasis. They're perfect for sloped yards, homes with walkout basements, or any property where you want to create a grand, multi-level outdoor area. Now, let's talk about the benefits. An elevated deck is more than just a beautiful addition, it's a smart investment. It significantly increases your usable living space, allowing you to create dedicated zones for dining, lounging, or even an outdoor kitchen. Elevated decks also provide stunning views, as they lift you above the immediate surroundings, giving you a fresh perspective on your property. This type of deck can also hide unsightly foundation walls or basement access, creating a cleaner, more polished look for your home's exterior. Plus, the space underneath can be converted into a shaded patio, a storage area, or another functional outdoor room. The possibilities are truly endless. But how do you decorate an elevated deck to make it look beautiful and inviting? The key is to treat it like any other room in your house. Start with a solid foundation, which means choosing the right furniture. Opt for comfortable, weather-resistant pieces that can withstand the elements. Create different zones using furniture arrangements, a dining area for meals, a lounge area for relaxation, and a conversational space for gathering. Don't forget to add warmth and ambience with outdoor lighting. String lights, solar-powered lanterns, and deck post lights can create a magical atmosphere as the sun goes down. Finally, personalize the space with outdoor rugs, pillows, plants, and other decorative accents that reflect your style. The goal is to make it feel just as cozy and personal as your indoor living room. Before we jump into our top 10 designs, let's look at some of the best items to have on your elevated deck. Here are some of the best items for an elevated deck design. First, weather-resistant furniture. Invest in pieces made from teak, aluminum, or synthetic wicker that can withstand rain, sun, and temperature changes. Second, outdoor rugs. Define different zones and add a pop of color or texture to your deck. Third, stylish lighting. Think string lights, solar-powered lanterns, and built-in LED deck lights for both safety and ambience. Fourth, patio heaters or fire pits. Extend your outdoor season and create a cozy gathering spot on cool evenings. Fifth, planters and greenery. Bring life and color to your deck with potted plants, hanging baskets, or a vertical herb garden. Sixth, outdoor kitchen or grill station. Take your entertaining to the next level with a dedicated cooking area. Seventh, shade solutions. Add an umbrella, a pergola, or a retractable awning to provide relief from the midday sun. Eighth, sound system. Install outdoor speakers to enjoy your favorite music while relaxing or hosting a party. Ninth, decorative pillows and throws. Add a touch of comfort and style with weather-resistant textiles. 10th, storage solutions. Benches with built-in storage or weather-resistant deck boxes are perfect for stashing cushions and other items. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here are the compilation of the top 10 elevated deck design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The expansive white palace. This grand elevated deck is a homeowner's dream, featuring a massive upper deck with a covered, vaulted ceiling and elegant columns. The space is beautifully lit with recessed lighting and fans, creating a resort-like atmosphere. The upper level seamlessly connects to an octagonal sunroom and a hot tub deck. Down below, a spacious stone patio with a fire pit and comfortable seating extends the living area further, making this a perfect spot for large gatherings day or night. 2. The Grand Circular Deck, architectural deck with a round gazebo. This elevated deck is a work of architectural art. The main deck space is spacious and perfect for entertaining, while the showstopper is the circular, covered gazebo. The gazebo provides a cozy, intimate space for a dining table or a conversation set. The beautiful dark skirting on the deck's perimeter and the crisp white railings create a stunning contrast, making this a truly unique and elegant design that commands attention. 3. The Classic Covered Deck with Bar. This elevated deck design is a perfect blend of style and function. The covered area, complete with a beautiful stone fireplace and a built-in bar, creates a cozy, sheltered space for dining and socializing, regardless of the weather. The open deck section provides a sunny spot for a separate dining table, while the sleek black railings and white posts offer a modern contrast to the warm wood tones of the deck. This design masterfully connects the indoor and outdoor living spaces, making it a true extension of the home. 4. The Multi-Level Curved Deck. This stunning multi-level elevated deck offers a dynamic and inviting outdoor experience. The main level, with its stylish roof and decorative truss, provides a covered seating area perfect for lounging. A small set of stairs leads to a second, curved deck area, creating a private dining nook. The contrasting white and black railings add a touch of modern elegance, while the different levels break up the space, making it feel expansive yet intimate. This design is ideal for homes with a walkout basement, offering multiple zones for different activities. 5. The Cozy Forest Retreat, a rustic elevated deck in a wooded oasis. This design proves that elevated decks can perfectly complement a natural, rustic setting. The rich, dark wood of the deck and railings blends beautifully with the surrounding trees. The white posts and stone pillars add a touch of classic charm, while a large umbrella provides shade over the main seating area. A wide staircase leads down to a lower patio with a fire pit, seamlessly integrating the deck into the lush backyard landscape. It's the perfect spot to enjoy a peaceful afternoon surrounded by nature. 6. The Warm Wood and White Deck, beautiful hardwood deck with a pergola. This beautiful multi-level deck showcases the natural warmth of wood with a diagonal deckboard pattern that adds visual interest. The bright white railings and pergola create a crisp, clean look that contrasts beautifully with the rich wood tones. The pergola provides a defined, semi-shaded space for a dining table, while a lower-level deck offers a seamless transition to the yard. This design is classic, elegant, and perfect for creating a cozy outdoor gathering spot. 7. The Illuminated Night Deck, a luminous and inviting nighttime deck. This deck design shines brightest after sunset. The warm, built-in LED lighting along the stairs and the perimeter of the low-level deck creates a magical and inviting ambience. The multi-level design features a beautiful curved lower deck and a spacious upper deck with sleek railings. The combination of dark wood treads and white risers on the stairs adds a touch of classic sophistication, while the glowing lights ensure the deck is both beautiful and safe to use at night. 8. The Classic Screened-In Porch, elevated deck with a spacious screened-in porch. This design offers the best of both worlds, a spacious, open elevated deck for sunbathing and grilling, and a large screened-in porch for bug-free relaxation. The screened-in area, with its vaulted ceiling, provides a comfortable and airy space for dining or lounging. The classic white railings and contrasting dark wood deck create a timeless look. This setup is perfect for those who want to enjoy the fresh air without worrying about insects or sudden rain showers. 9. The Modern Multi-Level Deck, sleek urban deck with a shaded patio. This contemporary elevated deck features a sleek black metal railing that gives it a modern, industrial feel. The contrast between the light-colored deck boards and the dark railings is striking. A wide staircase leads down to a large, covered concrete patio, creating two distinct outdoor living spaces. The posts supporting the deck are seamlessly integrated into the design, providing a stylish and functional element. This deck is a fantastic example of maximizing space and creating a chic, functional backyard. 10. The functional sunroom and deck combo, all-weather deck with a stunning sunroom. This elevated deck is designed for year-round enjoyment. The main feature is the enclosed sunroom, which is flooded with light from the floor-to-ceiling windows, making it an ideal spot to relax no matter the weather. An open deck area provides an additional space for outdoor seating and a grill, connected by a stylish railing. The modern gray color scheme and clean lines give this design a contemporary feel, while the sheltered space below offers a great spot for an outdoor dining table. And there you have it, 10 incredible elevated deck designs that are sure to inspire your next backyard project. Whether you're looking for a cozy retreat, a grand entertaining space, or something in between, an elevated deck is a fantastic way to enhance your home and your lifestyle. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope this video has given you plenty of ideas and the confidence to start planning your dream outdoor space. Don't forget that a well-designed deck can truly transform your home, providing a beautiful and functional area for years of memories. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and let us know which deck design was your favorite in the comments below. And if you're not already a member of our Homes Decor Designs family, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and inspiration. We'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!